Good grief, it frayed my line. There we go. Where's Daddy about to go?
Fishing.
Fishing. You think I'll catch any fish? No? Well, thanks for the confidence, you little booger. Tell everybody bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
What if I just started going, what's up again, YouTube? I don't like doing it in front of you because I always feel like you're making fun of me. Hey, welcome back to UFishUCamp. We're back here at the Underwood Estates. I say estates to make it sound like we're cool. But today I am headed to Rome. I just got off of work, and as you can see, the pollen here is absolutely awful. Heading to Rome to meet up with Mom and Dad for a few minutes. Then I'm putting in the Oostanaula. Today I'm gonna hopefully be going after some striper, maybe some spots. We'll see what we can get a hold of. What I'll be fishing with today are Berkeley power baits. I'm gonna have a gizzard shad on one, pearl red eye, I think is the actual name of it, on the other. And then for my rod and reels, I have my Zebco stingers, $12.99 on Amazon. This is the size 40. And then on this rod, I also have a Zebco stinger, size 30, which was also $12.99 on Amazon. So when you see these, you know, on Amazon or at Academy, and you roll your eyes and think, oh, they're cheap. No, they are cheap, but they do catch fish. So hopefully I can get on some fish on the Oostanaula, first time fishing, and I get to see Rome from a whole new perspective on the river. So as always, thanks for watching. Oh, that was nice. Welcome to the Oostanaula. Something. Good grief. I'm gaining on it. Good grief. Oh, definitely not a striper, but that was awesome. Holy cow, what a drum. Oh. Holy cow. Hey, it's not a striper, but look at this drum. I mean, it was like right when I hung up with him.
Was it?
Yeah. I mean, that's easily a 6, 7, 8 pound drum.
That thing is massive.
Good grief, it frayed my line. There we go. I don't even know how to take it off the freaking hook. What a fish. What a fight too. Freshwater drum. First fish on the Oostanaula. Man, that was fun. Growing up here, but seeing it from the river is like a whole new perspective. Yes, fish number 2 of the day. Oh, some kind of bass. Not for me. That's gotta be a spot. Ow. That's a spot. Not big, but hey, it's a new fish on the river. Pretty little fish. Thank you, fish. Hurry up.
What was the first thing?
Drum.
Drum?
Yeah. That's probably one of the bigger fish I've caught in a hot minute too.
Yeah.
It,
Get him on camera?
yeah.
Stripers in here?
That's what I came for, but I hadn't even really seen any signs of them. So I don't know if I'm too late or too early. Oh my gosh. There's where my lock is. As always, thanks for watching. I'm right at Heritage Park in Rome, where they park the Roman holiday boat. I'm about to get out. I just went under the pedestrian bridge. Really cool to see it from the water, because that's where I proposed to Michaela. So I thought that was pretty cool. Caught several fish. I got 2 that I have on film. I caught a couple. They were spots, maybe a pound, pound and a half. One might have been 2 pounds, but I caught that in a torrential downpour. And since my GoPro's fairly new, I thought, you know what, I'm not gonna risk it. So I caught 4 or 5 fish in about a 2-hour float. All in all, good day. First ever freshwater drum. I've caught red drum, you know, inshore fishing, but I've never caught a freshwater drum. And that fish, you know, took forever to land. So I thought that was really cool, and that made the trip up here worth it. As always, I really do appreciate you watching. And dad joke of the day: how does a cat eat its steak? Rare. And with that, have a good one. See you next time at UFishUCamp.